In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add warning notices on your WordPress website. Adding signatures or advertisements to WordPress can serve various purposes depending on the goals of the website owner or content creator. This is my WordPress website, and I want to display a notification bar over here. For this functionality, you need to install a plugin named WP Notification Bars. I've already installed and activated it. But in case you need help installing plugins, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. To configure the plugin, over on Notification Bars, you can click Add New. Add a title for the notification bar here. Once done, you can see various settings over here. Under General Settings, you can select basic settings like close button type and CSS position of the bar. You can add a hide or close button in the notification bar, or you can opt for the no button as well. You can even set the content width. Adjust notification CSS bar position, and then moving next to content, here you can set the notification bar content. You can select the link style from here. Enter the text to display in the notification bar. Now simply add button text over here, add a button link over here, and you can style the notification bar accordingly. Move to the Style tab, and here you can change the appearance of the notification bar. You can set the background color from here, set the text color as per your requirement, and you can even set the link or the button color as per your preference. Now, moving next to condition settings, you can choose when and where to display the notification bar. You can display it in some specific locations. You can explore all options on your own. And once done, it's time to publish the settings. Let's check the plugin in action. Refresh the page, and you can see the notification bar has been added here. When clicked on the button, it redirects to this page. And this is how easy it is to add warning notices on your WordPress website. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.